In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete assigned issues on GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. GitHub is a fantastic platform for collaborating on projects, and managing issues effectively is a huge part of that. You can assign multiple people to each issue or pull request, including yourself, anyone who has commented on the issue or pull request, those who have write permissions to your repository, and organization members with read permissions. Yes, this can be quite handy when you're working in a team. Just a quick note, both issues and pull requests can support up to 10 assignees, so you can definitely spread the workload around. Now let's talk about how to actually assign someone to an individual issue or pull request. First things first, you need to navigate to the main page of the repository that you're working on. At the top of the page, right under your repository name, you'll see two important tabs, Issues and Pull Requests. Click on the one that you want to work with. Once you're in, decide which specific issue or pull request you'd like to assign. Click on that to open it up. Now, on the right side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Look for the section labeled Assignees, and go ahead and click on that. What you'll do next is start typing the username of the person you want to assign. A list will pop up. This is pretty handy because it shows you the names as you type. Just click on the name of the person you wish to assign, and voila! You can continue to add more names until you've filled your quota of 10 assignees if necessary. But what if you want to assign multiple issues or pull requests at the same time? No worries, you can do that too. Again, start at the main page of the repository. Click on Issues or Pull Requests, just like before. Now this time, you'll want to select the items you want to assign. You'll see checkboxes next to each issue or pull request. Just check the boxes for the items you wish to assign, and once you've made your selections, look up to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Assign button. Similar to before, start typing the username of the person you want to assign these items to, and select their name when it appears. Just like that, you can assign that user to all the selected issues or pull requests. Now here's a special tip. You may also be able to assign GitHub Copilot to an issue. This is really useful if you want to leverage AI assistance for specific tasks. For more details on how to start a Copilot session, be sure to check out the documentation on GitHub. It's a neat feature that can streamline your workflow. And there you have it. You're all set to manage your GitHub issues and pull requests like a pro. With these steps, you can ensure that everyone on your team is well informed and accountable for their tasks. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this information useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.